New Claude free update is insane. You are leaving AI time on the table. Every day you open Claude, type your context, explain your project, and then do it all over again the next day. That ends today. Because Claude just dropped a free update that connects it directly to the apps you already use. No copy-pasting, no re-explaining, no wasted time. And yes, it's free for everyone. Hey, I'm Paisley, your AI educator. I break down AI tools and show you how to actually use them to work faster and smarter. Today we're talking about Claude connectors, the update that changes how Claude works with your tools, and most people have no idea it even exists. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, how to set it up in under 2 minutes, and the best ways to use it. Stick around because I'm also covering some multi-tool workflow combinations that are going to change how you work. So what actually happened? Anthropic launched something called Claude Connectors. It's a directory of integrations that let Claude plug directly into your apps and services. We're talking Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, Notion, Asana, Canva, Figma, Linear, and dozens more. And the core connector directory is available to every single Claude user, free plan included. Before this, Claude was smart, but isolated. You had to copy content in, paste context in, re-explain the same project every single time. Now Claude can actually see your workspace. It can read your files, search your emails, check your tasks, and take actions inside those tools on your behalf. That is a completely different way of working. Now let me quickly explain what's powering all of this. It's called MCP, Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a universal language that lets Claude talk to your apps. It's an open standard, meaning any developer can build a connector using it. That's important because it means the number of connectors is only going to grow. Right now, there are already dozens of tools in the directory across communication, project management, design, data, and even healthcare. New ones are being added every week. Let's get into the setup. Here's exactly how you connect your first app. Step 1. Open Claude and click the plus button in the lower left of your chat. You can also type a / to open the menu. Step 2. Hover over Connectors and select Manage Connectors. You can also go to Settings, then Customize, then Connectors. Step 3. Click the plus button and browse the directory. Filter by category or search for the tool you want. Step 4. Click the connector, review what it can do, and hit Connect. It'll walk you through a standard login and permissions screen. Step 5. Toggle the connector on in your chat and you're good to go. The whole process takes less than 2 minutes. And once connected, it's there every time you log in. You stay in full control. You can disconnect any connector at any time from your settings. Real talk. When I first started digging into all of these Claude features, I was honestly overwhelmed. So many tools, so many options, and it wasn't always clear what was worth learning versus what was just hype. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Real use cases, practical implementations, no fluff. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Now here's where it gets good. Let me walk you through what this looks like in practice. Connect Gmail and Asana. You can open Claude on a Monday morning and say, check my emails for anything urgent, and create Asana tasks for what needs follow-up. Claude reads your inbox, identifies what matters, and builds the tasks. Connect Notion and Canva as a content creator. Ask Claude to pull your content calendar from Notion, then create matching social media graphics in Canva for this week. 1 prompt, 2 tools, done. Connect Linear and Slack. Ask Claude to summarize completed tickets from the current sprint and draft a team update for the engineering channel, which you review before it posts. What used to require jumping between multiple tabs can now happen in a single conversation. Connect Google Drive and Gmail. Ask Claude to find the latest version of a proposal in your drive, compare it to the previous version, and draft a summary email to your client. Claude does the digging, you review and send. These are the kinds of workflows you can build once your tools are connected. Now I want to tell you about something that launched in January 2026 that takes this even further. Anthropic added interactive apps to the connectors system. Instead of just getting text responses about your tools, you now get live interfaces rendered directly inside your Claude conversation. For Slack, Claude drafts a message and shows you a full preview right inside the chat. You edit it, approve it, then it gets sent. For Canva, Claude creates a design you can see and interact with right there. For Asana, you update timelines and manage tasks without switching tabs. 9 apps launched with interactive support. Slack, Canva, Figma, Box, Clay, Asana, Amplitude, Hex, and Monday.com. Interactive apps are available on paid plans. But the standard connectors, the ones that read and retrieve your data, those are free for everyone. Here's exactly what each plan gets you. On the free plan, you get full access to the connectors directory. Connect Gmail, Notion, Google Drive, Asana, and more at no cost. Free users also get one custom connector, meaning you can add a tool that isn't in the official directory as long as it supports MCP. On paid plans, Pro starts at $20 a month. You get unlimited custom connectors and the full interactive apps experience. So the free update is genuinely useful, but paid unlocks the full picture. Quick note on security because I know some of you are thinking about this. All data transfers are encrypted. Claude can only access what you already have permission to access in those tools. If you can't see a file normally, Claude can't either. And Anthropic does not use data from team and enterprise plans to train their models. Treat it like connecting any trusted app. Review permissions, only connect what you need, disconnect what you don't use. And this is only just starting. Microsoft 365 is already available on team and enterprise plans covering Outlook, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. Salesforce integration has been reported as coming, and Anthropic also has a product called Claude Cowork, which lets Claude complete multi-step tasks autonomously. File organization, data analysis, project coordination, running in the background without you supervising every step. Combined with connectors, this is moving AI from assistant to actual collaborator. So here's your action plan. Today, pick one tool you use every day and connect it. Test it with a simple request. Get comfortable. This week, connect 2 tools and try a workflow that combines them. Start small. The learning curve is tiny. The link to the connectors directory is claude.com/connectors, dropping it in the description too. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which to skip. No hype, just practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. I drop new AI tutorials every week. Drop a comment below. Which tool are you connecting first? I'd love to know. I'll see you in the next one.